My mornings are crazy hectic, especially having 3 kids. So one thing that I know they all love are these oatmeal on-the-go bars. They're packed with nutrition. I can bake them, pull them out fresh, and out the door we go, or keep them in the fridge for a few days to just warm up before we head out. I'm gonna show you just how quick and easy they are to make. First thing you want to focus on is all these nutritious ingredients right here. Whole oats, pumpkin seeds, pistachios, almonds, walnuts, dried cherries, anything that you want. Those are the extras that make it just like a bowl of oatmeal that's so heartwarming and delicious. But these are in the form of a bar. So in this bowl, I'm gonna put in our wet ingredients. So we're gonna start with 1 large egg. Just crack it right in. Then we're gonna pour in 1.5 cups of milk, a little bit of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of honey. You could also use maple syrup or agave if you want, and some applesauce. The applesauce adds tons of moisture into these oatmeal on-the-go bars. And whisk everything up, especially that honey. It likes to sit at the bottom and be all gooey, so you gotta make sure you give it a good whisk to thoroughly combine it. In a separate bowl, we're gonna add our dry ingredients. So we've got oats, and those are 5-minute whole oats, whole wheat flour, and then you can add in seeds or nuts. You can add walnuts, almonds, pistachios, pumpkin seeds, anything you've got on hand. Teaspoon of baking powder. This is gonna help make them nice and light and fluffy. Teaspoon of cinnamon, pinch of salt, and then any kind of dried fruit you like. I love dried cherries, but you could add dried cranberries, dried blueberries, even raisins. And just whisk this mixture up. We're gonna add the dry ingredients till the wet ingredients absorb everything. This is one of the most kid-friendly recipes on Weelicious, and it just makes a parent's life so much easier in the morning. I mean, come on, how easy is that? Then I'm gonna pour the mixture into a 7 by 11-inch pan. Make sure it's greased. Then I'm gonna put it in a 370-degree oven until it's nice and golden on top. And when they're finished, this is what they look like. Perfect bars. Oh, look at you, okay. And then you can cut them into any shape you want, but I can guarantee the bigger the bar, the better. And just like a big bowl of oatmeal, but in the shape of a bar. And they're so warm.
And good.
And good. For the full recipe, go to Weelicious.com.
Cheers.
Cheers, my friend.
Cheers.